important in the sense that it has something to do with forest and farm facility. And it's in connection with promoting community forest management in the Gambia. As we are aware, FFF supported the National Farmers Platform to establish tax teams in all the regions in the country in order to advocate for the transfer of forest land ownership from state ownership to community ownership. And after the formulation of these tax teams, it took them nothing more than 2 months for one of the tax teams to be able to meet the president, lodge their complaint, and this has accelerated the transfer of 77 community forests from state ownership to community ownership. So obviously, with the support of FFF, we were able to achieve that. And it took stakeholders, the Department of Forestry and, FAO and other institutions lobbying for this program or lobbying for this transfer for more than 9 years, which was not possible. So, but then with the intervention of FFF through NFPG, by supporting them to establish tax teams, this was achieved within a very short period of time. I think that is a very good success story.